This is Dr. Shiva Ayyadurai. Again, as you know, I believe in real solutions to real problems. I've talked before on healthcare. Today I want to focus on a central aspect of health, which is food is medicine. That's one of the most ancient things. I was brought up on it as a kid growing up in India, where my grandmother was a village healer. It's been part of nearly every culture. But for some reason, the healthcare system in this country has forgotten that. We are more focused on big pharma, big insurance, and big hospitals. What we really should be focused on is each one of us having a direct relationship with our healer, our primary care physician, directly being able to get medicines, which I'll talk about in another video. And the other piece is for each one of us directly being able to have source and access to great food, so we don't hurt ourselves. By the way, 80% of Americans want organic food. However, the Republicans and Democrats have supported companies like Monsanto, Syngenta, the companies that have actually destroyed the soil of this country and have poisoned our children. GMOs have no safety assessment standards. I was the first scientist to expose that. What we need to do is to make sure we support a whole new generation of local farmers so we can all get great food, organic food, and we really start recognizing that we need to have new science to make sure that GMOs have real standards. Thank you.